drop the old bike and we're gonna go check on that car and pick her on up. It's been so long, man. I missed that car. Then we'll get to some truck stuff once we get this car squared away. Spent a lot of money on this car. Hey, you know, now that I'm warmed up a bit, it ain't too bad. I got a good about 10 more miles and then I should be there. Sun's going down, temperature's gonna drop fast. I already saw a fair amount of ice. Get there before they close. It's been a while since I've done a trip like this, and I'm not wearing boots because I was probably gonna go to the gym after. Figure I'd check out this place. My camera just died, but here goes nothing. Smoky power stroke over there. Oops, seat belts. Can't forget that one. Here goes nothing. Oh yay. Back in business, guys. Let's get on the road. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, rides like a champ. It's peppy, it's got some get up and go. It's never run better than this. It even sounds good. It almost sounds like a truck now. I've never even heard it. That sounds so good. And the transmission shifts smooth. Holy crap. Well, here goes nothing. Oh yeah. By new engine, I mean new used. It's about 60,000 miles on the engine. It was very well taken care of when we checked it out, and the transmission is remanufactured. We're back in business, man. The car is here once again, hopefully another 30 million years. Now trust me, we'll get back to the truck soon. Take a look at this. What do you guys think? Now trust me, we'll get back to the truck stuff soon.
I just have something very important to share with you guys.
The old car is finally back, the one that I'm gonna try to keep for the next 50 years or so and see how much it's worth then, because I know they had this car in production between 50 or 70 years. Finally back, man. I can't believe it's here. So glad that it's back. And man, it's looking better than ever. It runs better than ever, accelerates better than ever, sounds better than ever. It's got a new used engine, a lot less miles than the other one. Let me show you around the inside now. We got the light. Fixed the one door jam, it just wasn't shutting right, and this panel's a lot tighter. Also bolted up console here because my one friend decided to slide over through the driver's side. I think it was Gargilius and Guillotine. They were fighting over who got the shotgun seat. So he decided to come through this side, and this whole thing went flying up loose ever since. But if you look here, we got a bolt there, and there might be another one somewhere else, and it makes it nice and sturdy. Man, it drives better than ever before, and I must say the radio is top of the line. Yes, this is the 3800 Series 2 V6. Other things that were accomplished were the motor mounts, transmission mounts, the fuel pump seal. Gas tank might need to be replaced in the future, and the AC compressor's going out. But hey, we'll get this thing up and running. Haven't had the time to work on it myself, but eventually I do want to revamp the entire car. Run on, a good old Cummins engine in it, put a good old manual transmission in it. Future, that would be the dream of this car. Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir. There, get the engine swap, huh?
There it is.
Whoa. What's normally in it?
It's got the 454 big block.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I don't know why you brought this thing back to life.
It was a used engine, 69,000 miles with a remanufactured transmission. So essentially 0 miles, 3-year warranty on the transmission, 1 year on this, all new motor mount, new fuel pump seal.
Not around here.
Bolted up the center console, fixed the door jam, and can't believe it's finally back in business.
So you traded your truck in to get all this work done, right?
Cost more than Mike's truck.
No way. You guys have the parking lot.
So you're saying that you're not in support of fixing this car?
No, not at all. Not a worthwhile venture.
Too good. Well, I guess I'll close this doohickey for now. Car's got all fresh fluids and filters. Car runs like a champ.
Dude, it's Ryan. Ryan Weeks. Said I'm getting this new Philips Summit Care toothbrush.
And just like that, a brand new hoodie. Way to go. Bingo. Booyah. Right. Or more dang trash from the woods. I heard you're getting a new Jeep, lifting it, come and swap, and 40-inch tires for a mud bog.
Yep, I'm planning on taking it out after my upgrades on Wednesday, you know, all that good stuff. Hopefully this weekend, get to the rally, show it off, blast the engine. It's Brandon, dude. Check it out. He's like, yo, God, dude.
Explain yourself. Explain yourself. Well, I missed it.
Too bad.
Just got my Woods camo key milled at the local family hardware store. That's a nice truck right there. When I was right behind it, I could smell the thing in the cab. So you remember that American flag license plate that I brought in the other day? The reason why I brought that in is gonna haggle with the other guy that has one wavy design on it, but I looked at it and it had a logo on it, and I try to not buy anything with logos, so I decided not to try to trade that guy with a straight trade because I didn't have any cash. Then I tried to haggle the guy down for a hat. I tried to buy one at the stand for $8. It was a nice camo with no logos on it. Scary because the guy's hand, he had one of those fish hook hands. Pirate hand hooks as a hand, waving it around my face as the hat little dangling from it around, and
A prosthetic arm?
it scared the heebie-jeebies out of me, and I just couldn't buy it, and I had to get out of there immediately. You know I like my 60s and 70s music. Here we go. Blair Jeans. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes, I am well aware the car is worth less than what I've put in. I mean, hey, that's just like any other kind of build that people work on. It's usually they put a lot more money into it. You go so far that you just kind of keep going. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Glad the car is back. I'm going to get back to truck content very soon. I just wanted to share this video with you guys and the update on the car because this was kind of a big operation that we had going on with it. But it's back. Probably going to be the last update for a while of the car unless something else major happened. Whenever the car first did break down, power steering went out, the brakes went out, and then the engine just kind of shut off, and I was in the middle of the road, and then I had to push it into a ditch, a grass lot, and then it got towed out. And then it was gone for about 2 months.